Welcome back to Manish for Life Sciences classes. So in the series of the video today I'm going to explain about the tissue. So in the last video we have learned about the cell, what is cell, what are the different types of organism, like different types of organism are based on the complexity and simplicity. We have divided into unicellular and multicellular, and in that one the multicellular organisms have more than one cell. So what happens, first we will come to the level of different level of the organizations, and if we are considering, like we have studied about up to cell. So below the cell the non-living components were there. These non-living components made some changes were there. In evolution chapter we will study this one, what happened earlier to the cell. So living cell, this is the living, the first one, the living basic unit of the organism. So what happened, group of cells combined together having same origin and function. They were similar in origin as well as in function. They made a specialized localized type of body that is called a tissue. Now these similar tissue form an organ. Those who are having same type of origin and function, those tissue combine together and they form organ. Group of organs form organ system. Group of organ system form the entire organism. Means this made the entire organism. So here some examples are given. It's a one cell. Group of cells are tissue. Group of cell made one organ. Here I have shown with the leaf of a plant. So it is the organ. So now next the organ system is there, like nose is there, trachea is there, lungs are there, bronchi, bronchiole, alveoli, lot of things are there. So in this entire one, the specialized for the breathing function, they are helping in the breathing and respiration. So they made a system. So now directly we are moving to the tissue. Now as the two types of cells were there, plant cell and animal cell, of course we are different from the plants. So plant cell have different type, animal cell have different types based on their structure and function. So tissue, what it is, we have already defined. It's a group of cells having similar origin and function. Their origination is same. Their from where they made that was same, and they are doing all the same functions. So they are called a tissue. Now the entire tissue can be classified, as I said, that is animal tissue and plant tissue. Now we are moving to the plant tissue. So basically today's our topic is just for the classification of the plant tissue, what type of plant tissues are. So the entire plant tissue, you can notice that in the plant few parts are continuously growing, but few of the portion, like there is no growth we are observing up to some time. If you will observe a plant minutely, you can see that with the trunk, which the big one, the main trunk, after some time it is full with the dead cells, dead tissues. There is no growth we are seeing, but at the apex, at the tip of the plant, always new leaves are coming from the branches are coming. So based on that, it is classified into two groups, the meristematic tissue and the permanent tissue. What the meristematic tissues are? Meristematic tissues are the actively dividing tissue. Those who are continuously dividing, they are still alive and in the active stage to divide. And permanent tissue, their growth has been stopped. So we will come to the permanent tissue in the next video. Today we are going to consider the meristematic tissue. It is the actively dividing tissue. They are again classified into primary meristematic tissue and the secondary. Primary means for the primary growth, those who are responsible. Like these are apical meristem and intercalary meristem. And the secondary one is the lateral meristem, where the growth can be possible from the top only, or the width will increase, or the overall dimension will increase. So apical meristem, it is present at the tip of the plants, and they are highly active. They are responsible for their growth, and they are helping in the increase in the length of the plant. Next one is the intercalary meristem. At the node region, you can see here some red type structure is there. So this one is called intercalary meristem. The third one is the lateral meristem. which is present at the lateral side, who is responsible for the width, growth or increase in the width of the plant. So this is an outline of a meristematic tissue. In the next video we will come with the more elaborated form, what are the different types, like types of the permanent tissue, or the different examples we will come with in the next video. So thanks for watching. Keep in touch with us.